Welcome to King Machine. Today, we'll take you through the complete journey of bottled water production, from raw materials to final product. It all begins with injection molding, transforming raw plastic resin into bottle preforms. The injection bottle preforms, the foundational material for our bottles, alongside the formation of plastic drop caps. Precision engineering ensures perfect cap formation, a crucial component for sealing our bottles. Video, made by King Machine, demonstrates how we produce bottled water from A to Z, showing every vital step. Machine Company boasts rich experience in this field, a testament to our dedication and expertise. This vital stretch blowing phase prepares the PET plastic packaging for its final form. Our expertise has allowed us to become industry leaders, not just in bottle formation, but in many areas. We have successfully supplied over 1,000 water filling lines to more than 90 countries worldwide. We consistently research and innovate in the fastest growing markets, ensuring our clients remain industry leaders. Preforms and caps, vital raw materials for water bottling, are produced by our advanced injection molding machines. Manufactured from PET and PE resins, though new or small investors can also purchase these directly from suppliers. Bottles are precisely blow molded from preforms, supported by water chillers and sufficient compressed air. The empty bottles are then delivered to the washing, filling, and sealing machine via an efficient air conveyor system. The washing part thoroughly cleanses bottles with purified and ozone water, guaranteeing clean water for filling. The filling machine is comprised of three essential functions, starting with washing. Filling nozzles fill the product into each bottle. More filling heads mean higher capacity. For filling, the sealing part automatically caps and seals the bottles. A visual quality check is performed to ensure no impurities are present in the sealed bottles. Next, the bottles proceed to the labeling system, where we offer various options based on customer requirements. The machine provides OPP, PVC shrink, and adhesive labeling machines, after which the bottles are meticulously dated. Finally, the bottled water moves into shrink wrapping or carton packing machinery, preparing it for distribution. Bottled water is placed on pallets, ready to be sent to markets worldwide. King Machine welcomes customers to visit our manufacturing facilities.